We are pleased to show you the 2022 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, four-wheel independent suspension, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.